Very good morning, students. I am your Shanti ma'am, and today I will teach you English written, and it's a revision time. So today I revise letter B. Hope you all are learn how to write A. So now I teach you again how to write B. See, first you have to do slanting line. Okay. Then do small curve. Okay. Then straight line. Understood? From here you have to do D curve. Okay. And then from here you have to do small curve. Understood? From here you have to do slanting line. Then again do small curve. Then straight line. Then from here you have to do D curve. Then from here you have to do small curve again. Again I show you, I draw here small one. Slanting line, then curve, then come down and do straight line. Okay. Then D curve. Then from here you have to do again small curve. This is our B. Cursive B. Small cursive B. B for ball. Okay. So now I write here. We have to start from which line? From blue line. This one line. Okay. So from blue line we have to start and do slanting line up to red line. Okay. Then do small curve. Then do straight line up to this blue line. Understood? From here you have to do D curve. Okay. And touch here. This line up to this blue line. And then from here you have to again do small curve. This is our B. Cursive small b. Okay. Again. From here you have to go up and do slanting line and up to red line. Then curve. Then do straight line. Understood? Then from here you have to do D curve. Then touch here and from here you have to do small curve. D. Before ball. From here you have to start and up to red line. Okay. Then do small curve. Then straight line. Then B curve up to blue line. And then again do small curve. Okay. Understood? This is our cursive, small cursive B. Okay. Now I write here. See. What is this? B. B. B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. You can say B also, huh? When you write B at that time, you can say B. B. When you write B at that time, you have to speak also B. Okay. So by this you easily remember this is which letter. So for identification it is useful for you. Okay. So when you write any letter, at that time you speak also. So again I write here B. So I write here B. So children, today we will revise B in our 4-line book. See, again I repeat, this is our red line, this one is blue line and red line. So from which line we have to start? From blue line, okay? And this line, from this line we have to start. So today we will revise B. So from here we have to start. Do slanting line up to red line, understood? Then small curve, then do straight line up to this blue line, understood? Then after you have to do D curve and up to blue line, up to this blue line, and then from here you have to do small curve. This is our cursive B, okay? Again I repeat here, slanting line up to red line, then do small curve and then do straight line, okay? From here you have to do D curve up to this line and then do small curve, understood? It is easy now, okay? So I write here B. B. I also speak for you only, so again and again I repeat the same things because of you. You should, when you write any letter, you should speak at that time. It's compulsory, okay? B. 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 B for ball. B. 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 B for ball. B for ball. B. B. I write here so many times because you can easily understand that how to write B. That's why I write here so many times. B. 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 B for ball. B for ball. B for ball. You can say B also. B. B. What is this? This is B. What is this? B. So this is your class work. This is your CW class work, okay? Now I give you homework. B. 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 B for ball. See, this 2 page you have to complete, okay, at your home, okay? This 2 page you have to complete. It's your homework. In 1 page you have to write 4 times, 4 lines. Okay, 4 times you have to draw line and then you have to write like this. Okay, see, it's your class work. First you finish your class work, then after you have to finish your homework. Okay, you should compulsory finish your homework. Okay, thank you, bye bye.